Hi, Jimmy House with A-1 Vacuum Sales and Service in Louisville, Kentucky, right here in the Highlands. Today I want to talk to you about the ideal air purifiers and why we brought them in. Well, if you know us, you know that we love Miele and Sibo because they're made in Germany and they're high quality. So are the ideal air purifiers. So right when we heard they were made in Germany, we brought them right in and they've been a big hit here at A1 Vacuum. Main reason is they clean and they eliminate 99.99% of your mold, your fumes, your smoke, your pollen, all your allergens, even your odors. So if you have your pets in the house, or if you're cooking onions and garlics, or you just want to eliminate all your odors, these bad boys will do it. And the main reason is I'm about to show you. It's very easy to open the door. It's just a magnet door. Pulls right off. Has a 360-degree filter, 5 layers. One layer is your carbon charcoal layer, and that's going to eat up all your odors. 360-degree filtration is going to mean that all of your dirt's going to have to go all the way around it before you can get clean and put it back out in your air. Also, they say if you stretch this filter all the way out, you would have 16 square foot of filter. That is a lot of filtration going on. It's going to be easy to put it right back in, and with a little twist, door just puts at the bottom, puts right there, just like that. At the top here, we have our settings. Right now with me moving around, talking, it just went into auto feature. Red means bad air. So right now it's in a turbo setting. So it's a little bit loud. It's moving a lot of airflow right now. That's what we love keeping it on, is auto, because sometimes it's gonna be on, sometimes it's not. If you're moving around, kids, dogs, anything like that, this will kick on and off all day long. So I love the auto feature. If you don't want it on auto, we have a level 1, level 2, a level 3, and one more time, the turbo mode. That's if you're really wanting to crank up, get that odor out, or if there's a lot of hair floating around, that's when you would put on turbo. At nighttime, it's another great feature. You can put it on nighttime feature. It's gonna keep it from getting into the turbo mode, which is a little bit louder than all the other settings. Also, all the lights went off, so it's not gonna be lighting up your whole room at night as well. Also has a timer here as well. Like I said, we have 4 different models. We have them all in stock. You're more than welcome to come in and play around with them, ask us questions, help us, let us pick out the right one for you. We're at 1523 Bardstown Road, Louisville, Kentucky, right here in the Highlands.